Hello, I am C28 and today I'm going to be showing you how to do melodies the easy way. What we're going to do is we're going to just insert a little track here to use. Bam. No, that should be fine. So what we're going to use is called arpeggiation. For those of you who are not music noobs, you might know what arpeggiation is. But for my noobs out there, arpeggiation is basically plucking a chord. So if I take like C major, if I were to arpeggiate it, I would go or and that third one's what we're going for. We're going to do some random arpeggiation to some crazy chords. Let's see, let's pick... That's pretty good. So basically what I'm doing is I'm picking a scale. And then just hitting all those notes in. So we're going to press every single note that's in that scale. That's pretty good. So alone this will sound awful. This will just be so ridiculously bad. Sounds terrible. Is not good. But what we can do is we can put on a MIDI effect. Where do you be? So it's going to be in here, MIDI effects. I'm going to put an arpeggiator on this. And now it's arpeggiating the notes. But it's doing it in a specific order. I want to do it random. And now this is going to make a melody for me. I'm going to bring it down to just a fourth note. And now listen to this. Yeah, it'll just keep going like that. It'll give me all these... I'm going to speed it up actually to an eighth. And this melody is totally random, so every time you play it, it's going to be a new melody, which is another cool thing. I like to incorporate this in my songs all the time, which is having random elements. And another thing you can do is you can just clone this track here, and I'll take out the arpeggiation. Actually, I'll just take it out instead of being lazy and just turning it off. No plugin. And what I will do is I'll have it hit this bass note. So this bass note will hit every single off note. There we go. I think this is on the beat actually, so I'm gonna take this and bring it over there, and this should be it. So yeah, this will be a really cool sound. And then I'll do the same there, there, and there, and I'll just slowly bring them up. So I'll take one there, and then with these two, I'll bring one down, and I'll take this one and bring it, I don't know, somewhere there. So now I have this sound. Yeah, pretty nice. And I can just add like, here, let's go for a dubstep drum beat to that. Where's my dubstep? Oh, someone's seen it before I do, and there you are. Someone saw it before I did, and they're like, oh my gosh, find it! Find a decent one. Yeah. Well, let's plug that in, and then we already basically got a beat. Yeah. So that's my tutorial for how to make a melody the easy way, and the fun way, with random melodies. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Let's go to that C28 logo.